Hey guys, show for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a loafer review for you, and we got the Dr. Martens Adrian Snaffle Loafer. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the Dr. Martens Adrian Loafer. This is the Adrian Snaffle, so it's a bit different to the tassel one that we've done a review on, so do check that out if you got a moment. And we got this in a black polished smooth colorway. We got this in the UK size 7. Well, the label's being covered, so I'll open the box and show you the sizing. But before I open the box, just want to tell you where I got this from. You can get this at ASOS. Kind of got it on markdown pricing, so it was a bit cheaper than full price. So obviously I had to get it. But ASOS, if someone from there is watching this video from their logistics team or their delivery team or whatever, could you please double box them? Your shoes. We got like some mash up boxes. I mean, it's not the worst state, but still I like to keep my box. And this is, this isn't that great. So if someone from ASOS is watching, and we know that you are, do better, please. And you can throw some freebies at us if you want, as an apology. But we're just going to open this anyway. So here they are, such a classic look. I love the Dr. Martens loafers, man. I like Dr. Martens in general, but the loafers, they just hit different. The Adrian, it's very different than your typical loafer. And just before I get into like details and all that, so this is a UK size 7, it's a European 41, and it's a US 9 ladies and a US 8 men's. There we go. So we'll start with the outsole and the midsole unit. So this outsole midsole unit, it's like a PVC. It's very innovative of its day. Like at the time, Dr. Martens were known as the Airwalk, very comfort outsole. It's an oil. So this outsole is made out of oil, and it was made to be comfortable, really. And it stood the test of time. A lot of Dr. Martens products still use this midsole unit today, because I'm not going to lie to you, breaking into Dr. Martens, oh my gosh, it's labor in and of itself. So I'm getting to that right now, actually. So even though the sole's very comfortable, we move into this upper, and obviously you've got this really premium upper. It's a leather upper, but the problem is that it's going to dig in. So when you're in that breaking in period, oh my lord, the backs of your heels, or your heels even, they're going to get cuts, you're going to get blisters. I'm not going to lie, it took me like a couple of weeks for me to get my other pairs of Adrian, the cherry red ones that I've got, broken into. So wish me luck for breaking into these ones, but still you got such great detail. So you've got all leather upper, you've got essentially a moccasin toe right there. But here at the tongue, you can see the snaffle print there. You got that on the tongue, and then you got the little buckle. I love this detail, makes it even more very formal as it is, but with that little buckle detail, it's very casual. You can wear it with jeans and whatnot, but I intend to wear this with like very smart trousers. Maybe I'll wear this with the odd jean also. Then you got the insole unit. It's a kind of like a leather insole with the Dr. Martens logo, and it says with bouncing soles. So as I mentioned before, with this oiled slick like sole unit, very comfortable. Again, even though I have to break into these loafers, I was going to say sneakers. We do a lot of sneaker reviews here, so the very rare times that we get some shoes. So it's a little Freudian slip my part, but I love these loafers, and just seeing like this beautifully constructed. So it's always welted, so it's like Goodyear welted, these shoes. A lot of Dr. Martens are Goodyear welted, and you can see it from the stitching details from the midsole, from the sole that connects the upper. That's what I was getting at. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the iconic yellow stitching, but this in and of itself is such a beautiful shoe. Cannot wait to break into these. So it will take me a couple of weeks, so wish me luck. But we're going to try it on for you right now. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Dr. Martens fit. I typically wear a UK size 7 when it comes to Dr. Martens. That includes the shoes and the boots. So the loafers aren't that much different. They fit perfectly well. I've got a pair of the Adrian Cherry Red loafers, which was my reference point, and I already knew that this was the right size for me. Again, what I'm going to battle is breaking into this, which will take me a couple of weeks. So I'll have to wear this like maybe a few hours in the day if I proper want to break into it, and it will take. I mean, it took me a couple of weeks to break into the Cherry Red loafers, but trust me, guys, it's worth the pain. It's inevitable unless you got, you know, if you wear very, very thick socks to help break it in, or I know Dr. Martens do like a bull leather. I think I pronounced that right. I do know they have something for that to help like stretch it and keep and maintain it even. But no, these are really cool. Like if you're looking for something not too formal, but you can kind of dress up casually as well, I highly recommend these loafers and anything that Dr. Martens offers, because it's kind of that look. That's what I'm looking for when I'm wearing a suit. I still want to kind of express myself, which is why I wear Dr. Martens. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.